Priyanka's home kitchen again. Today I am going to show you bottle gourd kofta, Lauki kofta. This is a traditional veg recipe in whole India, but here is a twist. Today I won't make just a traditional bottle gourd kofta. I will make a stuffing bottle gourd kofta. Many people think that bottle gourd is just boring vegetable, but believe me, we can make an exciting vegetable curry by using this bottle gourd. So let's start with. So here are my ingredients. This is called bottle gourd. I already peeled it and grated it. And for making kofta, here this grated bottle gourd, gram flour, salt, corn flour, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of cumin powder, and some sugar as a taste, but this is totally optional. If you don't want, you just skip it. And for frying this kofta, we need enough oil. For making gravy, 1 small chopped onion, 1½ tablespoon of grated ginger garlic, 2 small chopped tomatoes, some fresh cilantro leaves, oil, cumin seeds, this is just 1 teaspoon, pinch of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin powder, ½ teaspoon of coriander powder, pinch of red chili powder. If you want more hot, you can use more red chili or green chili, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And here this is for stuffing. Here actually 4 tablespoons of cashew nut and 5 tablespoons of sesame seeds and 1½ tablespoon of raisins. I soaked them together and then I blended it and make a nice paste. At first I am going to make stuffing, so my pan is already heated. Pouring just a little bit of oil and then I will pour it. Now adding salt as a taste, and I will fry this until it become totally dry. So friends, this became dry, so this is ready. Now I am going to take it out. So my stuffing is ready. Now I am going to make kofta. So at first I'm squeezing it to get out all the extra water, like this, and put it here. Now I am going to make a dough. So at first I am adding this gram flour, salt as a taste, turmeric powder and cumin powder and sugar, and just a little bit corn flour, so your kofta will be crispy. And now I am making a dough. So my dough is ready. Now I am going to make kofta, and this is a very sticky dough, so making kofta for that, at first I am taking some gram flour on my hand, okay, then like this, just spreading it. Now putting this, and now I am using some corn flour. Corn flour helps you to make nice round shape kofta like this, and also it helps to make a crispy kofta. See, this is ready. Again Again I am taking some gram flour dry. Okay, spreading like this. Putting this stuffing or filling, and now again using corn flour and close it and making a round shape kofta. So here my kofta balls are ready and my oil is also heated. Now I am going to put it very gently. Oil is very hot. You can see. Another one. And you have to keep temperature at low to medium high, so your koftas outside and inside can cook properly. And don't stir too much, otherwise your koftas can break. So you can see they became nice golden brown color, so they are ready. Now I am going to take it out. So my koftas are ready, and now I am going to make gravy. So pan is heated. Now I am going to add oil. So oil is ready. Now I am going to I'm adding this cumin seeds. And you can see they are sputtering, so this is also ready. And now I'm going to add onion. And also I'm adding now little bit of salt, so my onion can cook very fast. And I will fry it until the onion become light golden color. So here onion is ready. Now I am adding ginger garlic, grated ginger garlic, and I will fry it for about 1 minute. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes and also just a little bit of water, so my spices won't burn. And this dry spices like turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. And I will fry it until the oil starts to separate from the spices. My spices are ready, and now I am going to cool it down and grind it and make a soft puree, because for kofta you have to make a smooth gravy. So this is ready, and here I am using same pan, and now you don't need to add oil anymore. So I am pouring it and also adding some water, some salt as a taste, adding more water. Okay, and when this gravy will start to boil, that time I will add my koftas and cilantro. And now I am adding just pinch of sugar as a taste. If you don't want, you can skip it. And also this is boiling, so now I am adding my koftas. My gravy became thicker. Now I am adding the cilantro leaves and garam masala, and I am stirring it gently. otherwise your koftas can break. Very gently. And after 1 minute, this is totally ready. Now I'm going to take out it. So friends, here is my bottle gourd kofta. I garnished it with this brown and fried onion, and you can get it easily in Indian store, or you can make it home. Even I also made it in home. So friends, see you with my next recipe.